Hey, this is Tyler with Theater Design Company. I'm going to do an unboxing video on the PRO-180RPC LCR. This is a perfect speaker if you can't do in-walls. So you can actually use this as a left, center, right speaker. You could also use it for a 5 or a 7.1 system, where you could add a subwoofer and have 2 sides and 2 rears for a 7.1 system. When you see this thing opened up, you're going to see the huge amount of angle that the high frequency driver has on it, and then it also has angle on the woofer. So it literally is as if it's an in-wall speaker mounted in the ceiling. It's quite impressive. So with anything on Klipsch, you're going to have your owner's manual, your data sheet, and again, let's confirm that this cutout template's 11.58 inches, basically 11.5/8. Got our paint shield. As you can see, we're opening this up and we measured the box at the beginning. This is a fairly sizable speaker for a Klipsch or any manufacturer. So it's got your square grill here. And it's magnetic, by the way. And it's getting close to 13 inches. It's 12 7/8 of an inch. And then, of course, your typical round grill. And again, roughly 12 3/4 of an inch. Again, the exact specs, of course, are on Klipsch website. You watching this video to see the physical image of the speaker itself, know what you're getting. But all the specs are on their website. So you can see it's a huge speaker, and again, look at the angle on this thing. And I've got a bunch of different images on the video, but it's using their Traxel horn at quite an angle, and the woofer itself is angled as well. You can see it there in the video. It's quite an impressive speaker. And with all Klipsch, they have the typical mounting. It's a toolless mounting system on these. Quite easy to install. Just need a Phillips head screwdriver. And we'll box it back up. Thanks for watching.